Meaning of incoherence.
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 Incoherence. Incoherence refers to the quality of being illogical or lacking logical connection between parts. In other words, it means that something doesn't make sense or is difficult to understand due to the lack of coherence or structure. Incoherence can manifest in different forms such as unclear speech, disjointed writing, or inconsistent behavior. When something is incoherent, it can be confusing, frustrating, or even misleading. It is important to strive for coherence in communication and decision-making, as it allows for clear understanding and effective problem-solving.